Hi, if your dream destination is magnificent Europe, Army Tours and Travels offering 30 nights 14 days perfect itinerary designed for you. Watch full video and save it. Day 1. Visit Paris City Tour. Day 2. Round trip Siena River Cruise and World Wonder Eiffel Tower visit. Day 3. Top Europe attraction in one place, Mini Europe and Grand Palace. Day 4. Connecting to nature must visiting place Jean Chrétien Windmills and Cheese Shop. By the evening, city view from Canal Cruise. Day 5. Europe famous iconic place Cologne Cathedral. Day 6. Drupa Cuckoo Clock and adventure boat ride in Rainfalls. Day 7. Great experience long cable car ride in ice mountains at Mount Italics. By the evening, Lucerne City Tour. Day 8. Zurich City Tour. Day 9. Cultural Diversity Milan City Tour. Day 10. City of Canals Venice Island with amazing experience gondola boat ride. Day 11. Best Architecture Florence sightseeing. By the evening, World Wonder Leaning Tower of Pisa. Day 12. World famous Vatican Church. Day 13. Famous engineering architecture Colosseum and beautiful Trevi water fountain. Day 14. Return journey to Hyderabad. For more details, read in description. If you like this video, do share with friends and families. Don't forget to follow for such amazing tour packages.